In this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 portable consoles in 2022. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Let's start. Number 5. Asus ROG Phone 5. The greatest portable gaming console is probably the one you already have, which is why a specialized gaming phone like the Asus ROG Phone 5 is worth considering. This superb, though huge, smartphone is capable of running any Android game, allowing you to enjoy both casual portable games and extended sit-and-play experiences. Having a controller helps with the latter. Whether you like Crossy Road or Castlevania, Symphony of the Night, the Asus ROG Phone 5 offers the games you're looking for. Remember that Android phones now have access to a number of cloud gaming services, including Google Stadia, Nvidia GeForce Now, and Xbox Cloud Gaming. You can play many of your favorite console and PC games from anywhere in your house or any place with a strong enough Wi-Fi connection thanks to the ROG Phone 5's huge screen and quick refresh rate. Number 4. Apple iPad Air. Because the Apple iPad Air is one of the greatest tablets available, it's only natural that it's also one of the best portable gaming consoles. The Apple App Store boasts some of the greatest smartphone games, and it frequently gets them months before Android. You can play indie darlings like Monument Valley, Florence, and Threes in addition to perennial favorites like Fortnite, Hearthstone, and Minecraft. Apple Arcade, on the other hand, is what really distinguishes the iPad from Android tablets. For $5 per month, you have access to over 100 games via this membership service. Some of the games are only available via the Apple Arcade service, others are only available on the Nintendo Switch or PC, but not on an Android smartphone. Sayonara Wild Hearts was a strong candidate for the finest Apple Arcade game, but what the Golf, Dear Reader, and Lifelike are all unique experiences you won't find anywhere else. Number 3. Nintendo Switch Lite. The Nintendo Switch Lite is around 2/3 the size of the full-size Switch and offers 2/3 of the features we love about it. The Switch Lite, like its larger brother, has access to Nintendo's vast library of first and third-party titles, as well as a familiar control scheme and a large, vivid screen. Whether you want to play Zelda, Mario, or Animal Crossing, or Doom, Bayonetta, or Assassin's Creed, the Switch Lite can provide the same high-quality games in a profile that fits easily in a backpack or handbag. However, there are certain disadvantages. The Switch Lite has a lesser battery due to its smaller size, resulting in less total runtime. The Switch Lite also lacks removable Joy-Cons, making spontaneous multiplayer sessions considerably more difficult to organize. You can't simply transfer saved data between a Switch Lite and a standard Switch, so be sure to choose wisely. Number 2. Nintendo Switch. The Nintendo Switch is without a doubt the greatest Nintendo system in years, providing seamless gameplay at home or on the move. There are 2 methods to play on the hybrid console. You can put the Switch into a dock at home and use a conventional controller to play on your TV. Simply detach the Switch from its dock, connect the Joy-Con controllers to either side of the device, and take it with you wherever you go. You don't even have to interrupt your current game session. The gameplay experience is essentially the same in either case. The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, Super Mario Odyssey, Splatoon 2, and Animal Crossing New Horizons are just a few of the amazing Nintendo games available. Just keep in mind that more demanding games will drain the battery quicker. And backing up your saves will need a paid membership to the befuddling Nintendo Switch Online service. Number 1. Nintendo Switch OLED. For existing Switch owners, the Nintendo Switch OLED isn't a necessary upgrade. If you haven't already purchased Nintendo's hybrid portable, the OLED model is the one to acquire. This Switch model comes with a 7-inch OLED screen, a strong kickstand, enhanced speakers, and a dock with an Ethernet connector built in. Otherwise, it's the same as the original Switch, which is a fantastic console owing to its large game catalog and convenient portability. There are a few flaws with the Switch OLED, to be sure. The system seems a little antiquated without SSD storage or 4K capabilities. We may see a more major update sooner rather than later, since the console is 4 years old. The Switch OLED, on the other hand, is the finest method to play the newest Mario, Metroid, and Zelda titles. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.